Hey guys, so one more step and this is done. Well, two more steps. I have that to fill in and everything else around the perimeter. So wish me luck. I'm planning on finishing this in the next couple of hours. I have the quarter rounds over there, so it's just hydraulic. I need the air pump. I need the air pump. Okay. All right. I need the air pump and my nail gun. See you soon. All right, so I've finally been able to get this last piece in, but I just need to tap it. I really want to nail this in, but it's over concrete. So the alternative is to glue it in. I'm not trying to do that either, especially since I didn't start from this side. But every other side seems to be in properly. I just have this back part. So I'm just tapping it and pulling it in place. I do need something to push the back part down so it fits in place snugly. But right now, I honestly don't care about that. I just need to make sure that all my pieces fit together in some sort of coherent fashion. This piece is a little short, but that's all right. Ow. I do need my bigger mallet, but I can't find it. So. I don't know if I open. The door's still gonna be in my way. I'm gonna tap the joint. Hopefully it works the way I want it. Okay, joint seems to be in. All right, I think we're good. Sorry, loud noise alert. Alrighty. Now, let's see. I'd say that is pretty good. There's no lippage whatsoever, no separation. That part seems like it's a little raised, so I'm gonna have to knock that down. And the gap there, we don't mind about that. We can go over that with a quarter round. But I am gonna tap that down a bit. As you can tell, it's a little bit raised. Just a little bit. All right, now I need to bust out the vacuum cleaner and go over everything, or I need to go quarter round, which would be fast. I just need to get my window stop shears and my air compressor. Then we should be good. Whole bunch of, well, a few corner cuts and all that, but it should work out.